And look at it. The goose, Canada goose. Yep. Beautiful. What can you ask more than that? It's nature. It's so beautiful, man. Love this. Look at this guy. He doesn't have to pay the mortgage. No bills, no problem with the ex-husband, wife, you name it, girlfriend, boyfriend. And look at that. Enjoy your nature. Enjoy your life with the nature. Your nature actually teaches everything. You don't have to learn something, just follow the nature. See, these guys actually enjoying their life, and they have partners, and they have to feed their chicks. They have to go back home. They know where they come from, and they know where they have to go back. Yeah, am I right? Are you listening to me? Excuse me. You should not disturb the wildlife. Never ever feed the wildlife, because they have to find food there on their own. You see how they find it, they're eating it. See that? This is actually beautiful, right? See? This guy actually knows what to eat. He's actually eating grass. I've never seen grass actually. They like grass. Alright. Oh, they're all coming towards me. Man, if it was in China, they would have been in the restaurant by now. China, they actually eat anything goes on the grounds. Like if doesn't matter. The only thing they don't eat, I forgot the name. That the muggets they call it. I forgot the name. Yeah, it comes when the body is rotting. That's the only thing the Chinese or the Asians don't eat. I'm actually talking about including Filipino, Vietnam, what's that called? Korea. Because I saw the documentary. They eat snakes, rats. What the fuck, man? They can't even. We have plenty of food. We're not starving. So why the hell they have to eat these crazy, stinky animals? Darling. Look at this beauty. So that's what I'm actually saying to you guys. Enjoy your life with the nature. You come here to refresh your mind. And that's what these guys are doing it. Refresh their mind. They have to eat. Am I right? Are you listening to me? Man, I love animals. I just love them. Doesn't matter anything, anywhere. Snakes, no. Just walk away, or spiders. But yeah, animals basically. Are you getting close to me? Are you getting? Do you eat? What do you eat? What are you eating, darling? Canada goose. Look at that handsome over there. Look at that, how he stand there. He's looking for a girlfriend. I bet any girls are staring at you right now. So which one you want to pick up? That guy is actually really cute. He's a handsome. I don't know if it's a boy or girl. It's a female or male. I don't know how to differentiate. Goose. Excuse me, are you a male or female? Hello, I'm talking to you. Are you male or female? Are you a male or female? So anybody, can you answer the questions, please? Nobody wants to answer that. I love it. Love it. There are some people over there. This water is actually very dirty. Look at the people over there. I hope they're not going to take a shower, I mean take a bath, or take a swim. No, 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 it's dirty water. Alright, can you say goodbye? Have a nice day. Thanks for listening to me. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now, all the goose. Would you say bye to me? Can you say bye to me? They're all staring at me. Love it. Bye for now. Bye bye.